Hello, my name is Nicholas Silva, and welcome back to another video for the Pompano Beach High School Computer Science Club YouTube channel, Tornado CS. And in today's video, we are going to be going over the switch case. Which is basically going to be another way, basically, to write if and else if statements, and it's just going to be basically an easier way to do so. So, to help us with today's example, I've created this switch class, and I've written the main already here. And it's basically, I've created the integer score, which is going to be 3. And then if your score is 1, beginner, 2, amateur, 3, pro, 4, master. It's pretty simple. So as we can see here, our integer here is going to be 3, our score. And down here it says if score is 3, then we're going to be printing out pro. So I'm going to run this, and we should see that we are getting pro as our end code here. So this is going to be, I'm going to show you guys basically another way to write. If you wanted to write this using the switch case, this is basically going to show you another way to do so. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this part right here. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now I'm going to want to type in, this is going to start the switch case. So I'm going to go ahead and write in a switch. I'm going to go ahead and do switch. And then I'm going to do these brackets here and then write our integer, which is going to be score. So switch score. And then curly bracket here. And now I'm going to write case 1. I'm in that here. Case 1 here, and then I'm going to indent that again, and then we're going to write sys out, and it is going to print out beginner here. And basically, and then after this you always have to put break, just so it knows that this is the case 1 and this is all it's doing in case 1. So basically what this is saying is that it's starting the switch and it's taking in the integer score, which you have up here, and it's saying if score is equal to 1, then this is what it is going to do. It's going to print beginner. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy paste this. We can do it 3 more times. 2, 3, and then I'm just gonna switch it here. 3, 4, and then amateur, pro, master. And this is basically what it's going to be it's going to be doing. So since this is 3, it's going to go all the way to case 3, and then it's going to see that it has to print out pro. And if I go ahead and run this, we're going to see that it gets pro. And then I could also just go to 4, and it's going to go to the case 4, and then it's going to see, oh, case 4 with score. Okay, I have to outprint master, and this is what basically it's going to do. And you can also do this with, say, a string. So I'm going to show you that now. If I wanted to go ahead and do, let's do string cat equals, let's say string cat equals lion. And I'm gonna go ahead and erase. I'm just gonna do 3 here, so I'm gonna go ahead and erase this last one. Alright. And then we're going to we're gonna switch all these scores to cat, because that is the string we're gonna be using. Cats and cat. And basically what we want to do here instead is, since the case is not longer an integer, so we're going to input here, let's do different types of cats. So we can do house cat, and we can do let's say tiger, and then lion. And then what we could outprint here is, let's say, small cat, medium cat, and then large cat. And if I were to go ahead and run this, we should see that we are going to get large cat. And then if I were to do house cat and run that, we get a small cat. So this is basically just another way to write if statements and else if statements. And yeah, that's the switch case. That's going to be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave those in the comments down below. And that's going to be it. Have a good one.